Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the religion, Islam religion, and along with their values and also cultural practices. So, along with Islam religion, one more religion, Christianity. So, with their values and cultural practice. So, all these things. So, we discussed here in this class. Okay. So, before going to discuss all these things, now let us recall what we discussed in last class. Okay, so just we recall what we discussed in last class. So in last class we know that families, we know in last class we discussed about the what is meant by family. So and definition of family is a small unit which has its own religion, values and cultural practices. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. Family is a small unit which has its own religion, values and cultural practices, and also changes that have taken place in the society due to the change of values in families. So okay, changes that have taken place in the society, so due to the change of values in the families. Okay, so in last class we discussed the religion, Hinduism and their values and cultural practices. Yeah. So here Pavitra is an Indian girl. So that means so our religion is Hinduism. Okay. So is our father does puja every morning. So okay. And also they eat together. They eat, that means Pavitra and their family member and her family members. So they eat together at night. And also so Pavitra father always brings the same type of books and pens for Pavitra and also so Pavitra brother. So he tells, so that means our father tells us to respect everyone and also so helps those who are weak. Okay, and also he distributes, that means Pavitra father distribute the sweets to the children on festival days. Okay, on festival days Pavitra's father distribute the sweet to the children. So and also so we attended, that means Pavitra and their family attended our village fair every year. Okay, so they are all attended village fair every year. Okay, so next here is another girl, Razia. So her religion is Islam. Okay, so okay, now let us see values and the cultural practices so that have taken place in the Islam religion. Okay, so Friday is a holy day for us. That means Friday is holy day for Razia. So on that day, so Razia mother and Razia so do namaz at home. Okay, so Friday is holy day for Razia. So on that day, Razia and Razia mother do namaz at home. So but her father and brother go to the masjid to participate in the namaz. So these two members go to the masjid, okay, to participate in the namaz. So we help the poor. So that means Razia and their family members help the poor on the festival of Ramzan. So on Ramzan festival, so is the people, so those who are in a Islam religion, so they helps to the poor people on the festival of Ramzan. Okay, so and also so my grandmother, that means Razia grandmother tells them to treat and respect everybody equally. Razia grandmother tells to Razia to treat and respect everybody equally. And also so my mother, that means Razia mother teaches to her Arabic whenever she is free. So whenever Razia mother is free, she tells to Razia Arabic. Okay, or teaches Arabic. So next So another one, religion and their values and their cultural practices. Here Jan is a boy of, so that belonging to Christianity religion. Okay, so then let us see what are the values and cultural practice that are taken place in Christianity religion. So Sunday is a holy day for us. That means Sunday is holy day for, so those who are people in the Christianity. Okay, so compared to in Islam religion, Friday is the holy day for, so those who are people in the Islam religion. Okay, so but as in the case of Christianity, Sunday is a holy day for, so those who are people in the Christianity religion. So on that day, all the members of our family, that means on that day, so all the members of John family go to the church. Okay, so Sunday all the members of John family go to the church, and what they did. Okay, so offer prayers. So on Sunday, so here Sunday is the holy day for the people of, so those who are in Christianity religion. So on that day, that means on Sunday, so all the members are people of the Christianity religion go to the church and offer prayers. Okay, and it is the holiday for mother and father. Okay, it is the holiday for mother and father. So next, so we eat food together. So Sunday all the members together eat food. Okay, and so my mother, that means John mother, so decorates the house. John mother decorates the house. So reads the Bible and tells story. So whenever she is free. So what is John mother doing? That means, so John mother decorates the house, reads the Bible, and tells stories whenever she is free. And also his father says that we should not quarrel with each other. So here John's father always says that, so we should not quarrel with each other and should treat everyone as a friend. And also we should treat everyone as a friend. Okay, I will once again repeat it. Yeah, Sunday is the holy day for those who are people in the Christianity religion. So on Sunday, every people or every member in the Christianity, so they are go to the church and offer prayers. So in next class we discuss more things. Thank you.